The MATEIN 21-inch wheeled duffel is designed with compact dimensions and includes 2 packing cubes, making it an ideal choice for organizing your clothes and accessories efficiently. Its innovative insulated side pockets are perfect for keeping your drinks and snacks cold, ensuring refreshment is always at hand during your travels. The bag features multiple pockets, including a wet-dry separated pocket and a top pocket for easy access to essential travel documents, ensuring everything is well organized and protected. Constructed from high-quality polyester and PU leather, this duffel bag is water-resistant and equipped with anti-theft zippers, providing peace of mind in any weather. The MATEIN Wheeled Duffle boasts a telescoping handle and inline blade wheel system, allowing for smooth and effortless mobility through busy areas. This versatile travel companion is perfect for both business and leisure trips, offering easy carrying options with its top and front handles for a stress-free experience.